All right, this is the new engine from Ford. It's the 1.5 turbo engine. It's a completed engine assembly. It's been updated. The original blocks will crack and coolant gets into the cylinders. You have to buy this separately, but this is an engine. This is the installation kit for this motor right here. Comes with everything you need. Plus, there's an updated pulley that you have to get. So it comes with all the covers on it: valve cover, front timing cover, oil pan, high pressure fuel pump, spark plugs in it, VVT solenoids, water pump, crankshaft pulley, oil filter housing, crankcase ventilation cover or oil separator, oil pressure sensor, oil pressure regulator valve. So it comes with quite a bit already, but it does not come with any gaskets. So that's what this installation kit's for. It comes with, this has everything. So we have exhaust gaskets, manifold and downpipes, and then high pressure fuel pipe. Oil filter, which we have one on there, so this does not come with oil. It is completely empty. It does have an oil filter on there. All the bolts needed for the everything. Just a bag of bolts, basically. Every bolt's required to get replaced. It comes with it. We got here, this is it looks like an axle seal kit with a nut and all that, a bushing, some gaskets, looks like some turbo pipe gaskets, a whole bunch of just seals in there. It's gonna be a turbo pipe. That should have been on there probably. So should be one more of those, I would think, but maybe not. That's an oil, using oil feed. A bunch more bolts. Basically every bolt you need to do this job. I mean, it is bolt after bolt. So they want you to replace every bolt. So this is even the drive shaft bolts and everything. So that's it. Talks about the Teflon seals for the injectors. Yeah, I mean, this thing's got everything. So it's fully loaded here. So we're in good shape on this one. That kit was like $400 and some change retail. So this motor is about 2,800 bucks, which is really reasonable for an engine. Most likely, I think, because Ford knows there's a problem with the original design, so they lowered the cost of this, so it's not so expensive to replace. I've seen that to save them from doing service campaigns. I've seen some throttle bodies for like 30, 40 bucks, same issue. They're common failures, but Ford sells them really, really cheap, so the customer doesn't really say much about it. They're typically like a $500 throttle body. So, but this is it. This is going in probably next week. So, but that, between this engine and that kit, it's everything you need. Just add some oil, she's good to go. To the next one. See ya.